Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I am going to show you how to draw a Squishmallow Sally from The Nightmare Before Christmas. So I think this is going to turn out super cute. Before we get started, I'm going to remind you guys to feel free to like or comment or subscribe, all that good stuff, because it really does help out the channel. Alright, so feel free to go and draw everything with a pencil first. You can certainly do that if you want, and then you can go over it with a black marker, but I'm just going to go right on in and draw everything with a black marker right away. But you don't have to do that. You can draw it with a pencil if you want to. Alright, so our Squishmallow Sally. So she's kind of the shape of like a chicken nugget. So let's draw that chicken nugget shape. A great big squishmallow nugget. Okay, kind of like that. All right, so from there, we're gonna go to the top of her head and we're gonna draw a little line down, and then we're gonna draw a line like this. Okay, this is gonna be her hair, and we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Got really long hair. Now I'm going to make kind of like a V shape. It's going to stop in the middle and go on the other side. Okay, so now I'm going to go from that V point and we're going to start to make some patches on her dress. So I'm going to go down a little bit, but it's not perfectly straight. You can see it's kind of angled a little bit. And then we're going to go off to the side here. Now from this point, we're going to go all the way down like that. And now over here, we're going to make a little line and stop. Now I'm going to give her two little cute eyes. So we're going to start around here. Great big circle, color it in black. Same on the other side. Okay, now I'm going to give her a little cute smile. So it's not very far down, it's not all the way down here, it's kind of up right between her eyes. There we go. Now we're going to give her some little eyelashes. There's going to be 4 on each side. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Now I'm going to give her a little nose. So it's only like a little hill. Okay, and now I'm going to give her some patterns on her dress. So this one here is a bit of a squiggly pattern. So I'm going to do like a little U shape and keep on going. So this is going to be like a pile of circles. Now we're going to go from here, make a big squiggly, circly line, go on in, woo! Now over here, we're gonna kind of do the same, like a big coiled up snake. And we're gonna do another one down here. Okay, so now over here, we're gonna, this part is gonna be circle, so we're gonna have a circle here, but it's kind of only a half circle because that part got cut off. That part of her dress is just a half circle. So over here is going to be another one, and over here let's put a full circle. Okay, and we also have lines. So I'm just going to try to draw some stripes here. Okay, and we can color in these circles and color those in black. Okay, and now this part here is also black, this little part of her dress, this little patch. Okay, now she's got some little stitches holding each patch of her dress together. It's sewn together like these little stitches. So we can just do these little lines, and they don't have to be straight. Some are crooked, some are crossing over each other. So just do all kinds of these little lines. Her dress is held together by these stitches. Okay, now let's see. I'm going to take a blue. This is a jade green color. So this is what I'm going to use to color in her face. So it's a nice, pretty, lightish green with a bit of blue. Very pretty color. And you don't have to use the exact colors I'm using. You can use whatever colors you want. And don't feel like you have to use markers either. You can use crayons or leads, whatever you want, whatever you have. Doesn't have to be markers. Okay. Now her hair, which goes red. It's a nice, beautiful red. Okay, and now I'm going to take a cream color and color in this patch of her dress. It's a nice yellowy cream color. And maybe if you want, maybe you could make up any kind of designs you want for her dress patches. Maybe you want to do all kinds of different polka dots and squares and triangles and whatever kind of shapes you want. And let's see. Down right here, blue. Now for a purple. I think this is such a pretty purple. Okay, and now I'm going to take a darker teal blue color and I'm going to color in a little bit above her eyes here. So it's going to be like her little eyelids. And same over here. Okay, and I'm going to go over this nose line. And Sally's got like a little scar here going across her eye. So I'm going to do a line like that. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little lines going around there. All right, so we are finished our picture of Squishmallow Sally. So I hope you liked it. I hope you had fun drawing along with me. Feel free to let me know in the comments what you would like to see next for the next Daily Doodle. I love hearing what you guys have to recommend, what you guys would like to see drawn. And so folks, I hope you have a great day. I hope you have fun drawing, and I hope to see you again tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Okay, bye everybody!